Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and I am the body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds naturally. Now, one thing I need to say right away that we got to get this out of the way is, yeah, this is a learning program. I am doing 2B mindset, and if you're following me and you've looked at my other videos, I have been counting this water bottle as 16 ounces. I was never good in math. This water bottle is 30 ounces. Obviously I didn't read the program materials and I've been trying to chug 8.5 of these a day. I guess I got all my water in, but just a correction to my other videos that the water bottle is 30 ounces, it's not 16 ounces. Don't try and like make yourself get sick because you're trying to chug all the water, because I was like, oh yeah, you gotta chug all these. Oops, sorry. So anyways, on the menu today I have taco stuffed peppers. I have some other stuff. Gonna go to the grocery store and get myself all prepared for the week. Right now, getting ready to work out. I'm so proud of myself. Last week, workout is a bonus, but last week I worked out 5 times. I have not worked out in 9 months, so I am so proud of that. Baby steps. I stepped on the scale. The scale is not moving as fast as I want, and that's okay. You know what? I played the comparison game for a while. I noticed that some women I've been seeing on Instagram and stuff that are losing like 10 pounds in 1 week, and I was like, well, what's wrong with me? I know what's wrong with me. I'm still trying to get this down to a T. My dinners have been awful. Been a lot of tears shed for dinner, so I've got to work on that, but hey, it's all a learning curve. I'm not giving up yet. All right, cheers to the workout. I think I showed you guys this last week. Awesome tip for you is if you ever have recipes that call for chicken, especially if you're busy, go grab yourself a rotisserie chicken. It's gonna save you loads of time, and they're also spiced so awesome. I got this one like a Southwest blend, so then I don't have to worry about trying to make it taste really good, and it lasts all week. I'm definitely not brave enough to try these, but if you are, there's beet crackers. No thank you. Just a tot though. One of the goals that I have this week is to commit to eating even more veggies. And I know a lot of people are not huge veggie lovers. So if you drink Shakeology, this is an awesome trick that you can do. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. There you have it. Use your secret weapon, spinach. You are not even gonna taste it. Cheers! If you don't own a pair of these, I highly suggest that you get a pair of these. These are such a lifesaver in the kitchen. I got these from Pampered Chef. I'm sure probably Amazon has something equivalent to it. And it just shreds. It shreds chicken super easy. If you ever want to chop a salad to make like fresh salsa, it will chop that up too. So want to have a time saver in the kitchen? Invest in a pair of these. I pretty much made this chicken salad recipe up. I went in my fridge and I realized I had like a little bit of coleslaw mix left, and I had some shredded carrots left, and I just made it into this huge bowl of veggies, and then I just did a little drizzle of mayonnaise. I am not a Greek yogurt person. I've tried, I just can't do Greek yogurt, but anyways, I'll write down what I put in the bottom for you if you want to take a peek at it. It's definitely a a different kind of chicken salad. I didn't realize that you can actually have popcorn as long as it has 0 trans fat. So I got some Smart Pop, and if I'm still hungry after I eat this big bowl of chicken salad, then I might pop myself some popcorn. But yeah, this is going really well. I think that out of all the days so far that I filmed for you guys, this is definitely my favorite. I've not been hungry. I've been pretty satisfied. Fingers crossed that those tacos are gonna be good because they're next. I am cooking the taco stuffed peppers. I got my meat and my onions going. Oh, I'm really bad at this. Okay, I got my meat and my onions going, and I've got the peppers. Ooh, my lens. I've got the peppers roasting in the oven. I have a really quick question for you guys. I originally was going to start a cooking channel because I just absolutely love to cook. Just not to be mindset stuff yet. But I was going to do cooking tutorials. If that's something that interests you and you want to see me cook these recipes from start to finish. So this is what they look like. Actually. So I am now going to accessorize the crap out of these, and oh, they smell so good. So fingers crossed, give me a second, and then I'm gonna take a bite for you live. What I did was I took a little dab of sour cream, some shredded lettuce. There's a little bit of cheese on there that I think you saw that I baked in there, and I put some taco sauce on there too. Kind of dress it up a little bit. The only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is that the peppers are gonna be on the mushy side. All right, so here we go. Oh, yeah, they taste like tacos. The green peppers are definitely a little bit more on the crunchy side, which I like. And I'm also gonna pair that with this huge salad. It's funny, since I started this To Be mindset, I have ate more cabbage than I think I ever have in my life. So there it is, a full day of eating. Yay! We found a dinner that we like. Thank you again so much for watching me. It means so much, and your continued support to watch my videos is really pushing me to not give up. I'm the type of person that is not gonna give up, and I don't want you to give up on yourself too. All right, have a great night.